Very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this video, I'm just going to discuss about my Google Sheet stock option scanner for intraday and positional strategies. And this is a weekly update. So last week we have some good opportunities based on the scanner. So like Ultratech, Dixon, and Grasim. So that are the stocks which I find out based on the breakout. And here, last week, one day we find out this Ultratech by 10,500. So that is the first opportunity where we find out, even on our live session, we find this opportunity Ultratech breakout 430. And finally, it is closed 733. So it is a purely an option scanner. So where you are going to find out that option breakout. So here we find the strike prices based on the our advanced option strategy concept, and also we are trying to take that strike price based on the ATM. So Ultratech last one 10,500 call option that we find a opportunity on this previous one. So 430 that was triggered on the 10th of June, and like 4 days it went up to almost 742. So from 430 it went up to 742. So more than what we have expected that is happening on this particular stock. So last week to previous week we have an exit pool and the result. So why we ignoring that weekly and monthly trades, and this week, last week, so we have a lot of opportunity like Bharat Forge and Chola Finance and Ultratech. So these are all the opportunity. And Dixon is the one of the best performing for the last week. So this is based on our advanced option strategy concepts, and you know well how to take an entry and how we can find out the opportunity based on the Google Sheet, based on the advanced option strategy. And monthly positional still is working now, so but we are not taking a monthly positional. As of now, almost 13 stocks more than 50 percentage that went higher. But last week is this month is an entirely different month because of due to the election result. Most of the stocks which triggers target in a put side. Okay, so after that the recovery. So now the call side is moving, but if you are looking at a call side, so you will be facing a huge premium to enter. So better to avoid, and you can try for a weekly trade opportunities based on the concept. And intraday is a purely an intraday purpose where we are looking for an opportunity on intraday. It based on the Camarilla R4 breakout. So intraday strike price and the weekly strike price is maybe a differ. Okay, in this case, Dixon 10,900 where we are looking for an that is last Friday, and weekly opportunity is a 10,000 call option 746. Okay, and that concept is entirely different, and weekly and monthly is based on the concept which you are using for a positional one, and intraday it's purely by Camarilla R4 breakout. So last week, the Friday, so Bharat Forge 1640. 1640 call option where we are looking for a breakout. Bharat Forge. So we can add on the pivot levels in 5 minute chart or 15-minute chart. So whatever the time frame, so we remove this. Okay, here there is a breakout which is happening around 11:30. So based on our intraday concept, we always focusing. I just following that trade based on the second candle breakout. But if you are looking at the sheet, so here is the breakout around 45.45. It's an intraday R4 level breakout, and maybe a pivot is 38, almost 7 rupees is the risk where we are finding an opportunity, and it was moving towards 105. So it's a huge move. If you are trialing your stop losses, then you can get such a kind of result. But so this is what almost 11:30 candle breakout, but we normally take 9:30 after, that is a fresh breakout. If any stocks which triggers before the R4 level in 9:30 before, so we should ignore. And after that, if any stocks which breaks, we can try for a fresh breakout opportunity. That would be good for our intraday and quick kind of trade which we can look for. Yesterday, I took for an HDFC Bank. I already made a shorts video regarding how to take, and that was giving you the immediate to the next candle breakout. So Dixon 10,900. It's a call. You can look at this R4 level, the second candle breakout. So here I'm just following if any stocks which given you the breakout on the second candle, that I'm just focusing for a immediate quick intraday scalping kind of trade or intraday breakout trade. So here the second candle where it is given me the opportunity. and that was giving you a result also, and something like then many stocks which triggered, and that is what an intraday and monthly position. Why I'm just avoiding this monthly position currently? So you can look at this REC, where the call option side REC, yeah, call option side 540, okay, and the put option side, sorry, put side REC limited, put side also 540, where I can see 67 is an entry point. So REC 540, yeah, you can see this is what an election day before the call option went to 78. So where we are looking for an opportunity in the 71, and it went up to 78, and then now it is 11 rupees. In the put side, REC, what is happening on the put side? Look at this. Here is the 4th of June, and it went up to almost 126. Our entry point in a put side in REC, 67, almost 124, that already achieved the target. Maybe if you are using our edging strategy like 1.1 strategy, so you may be achieving the target. So 1:1 kind of strategy, if you are applying on the non-directional basis, that already achieved the target, but you have to pay the higher premium for that. So that is not a right choice. So why we ignored, and already it is triggered. So now if the second time if the any call or put which is triggers means it's the re-entry, so not a fresh breakout. So because on the day where market down by nearby 2000 points, most of the stocks which triggers our entry and also achieve the target on the same day. So that's why I'm just ignoring the monthly trades for this month of June, because mostly stocks is triggered and the target point. Okay, and if you are getting any opportunity, that may be a re-entry opportunity only, but also you have to pay higher margin for this. Okay, so monthly is not going to be changed, and the weekly positional and intraday is going to be changed for the next week, that is tomorrow. And this week Monday is holiday today, and only 4 days is for the week. And you can just focus only tomorrow, day after tomorrow. You can try for a positional, and if you get a Thursday, Friday, so it is looks like an intraday. Okay, so I'm just going to update now. The sheet is going to update, and you will be getting the details can be changed for the next week. Strike price and entry price, everything will be automatically changed. So let me try to update our sheet, and you can, if you are following the sheet, just follow the rules we are using, and that will give you some good opportunities for your intraday as well as positional. And if you want to learn our advanced option strategy, you just ping me on the WhatsApp number to get more detail about, and you can also learn that strategy for a positional one. So it's not for an intraday but purely positional, and how to select some 3 to 4 stock option for a monthly for a positional one, that we are going to learn, you are going to learn on the session. And also you will be following the trades based on the Google Sheet, and without Google Sheet also we can use it, but this is a tool to find out a trade opportunity very quick and easy. Okay, that is the concept. So now we are going to updating the sheet, so let me wait. Yeah, no stocks which would be triggered our entry point. So in weekly basis, there is no illiquid stocks. That means the strike prices are okay and weekly positioning. So let me try for tomorrow, and if any stocks which given you the breakout opportunity, you should focus that liquidity about the stock and volume. These are all the conditions. So only you can see and a fresh breakout. So if that particular stock satisfies, particular strike price satisfies this condition, so you can go for an opportunity and positional basis, or even intraday. Okay. Okay. So monthly is okay. Now weekly okay. Monthly is always same. So it is going to update only once in a month. Okay. And intraday is changed now. So some of the strike prices like Atul, Indu Copper, and Alchem Laboratories may be illiquid. So, but no problem. So after 9:30, the sheet is going to refresh. From 9:30, you have to find out a trade opportunities from intraday opportunities. If you want to access this Google Sheet, so get more how to use it, and it's a paid tool. If you want, you can also access, and more details. So there is a WhatsApp number shown on this video. So you can just ping me on this WhatsApp number to get more detail about the Google Sheet, how you can use, and you can also utilize for our positional strategy. You can use your own strategies also from the top listed stocks. Okay, I hope the update is done for the week, the third week of the June. Okay, so let me try for tomorrow. So finding out some good opportunities from this sheet. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And Wednesday we have a webinar regarding the mutual fund. So website link is available on description. You can also register for that particular webinar to get more details about the new NFO launch. Thank you so much. Thanks for being with me. Kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you.